Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Today I want to unbox my June Glossybox with you together, so let's get started. Glossybox came in the mail today, I'm so excited. I already opened the little thing so it would be easier to open it on camera with you. So let's see. The first thing in there is a voucher. There's always a voucher in there. This one is for a never dying rose. Like, this is actually cute. Doesn't that look cute? And it's worth 30 euro. Well, that's exciting. And that is the actual Glossybox. This month it comes in a typical pink box. We had some special boxes this year already, but I also love the pink ones. So we'll dig right into it, I guess. The first thing you always see when you open it is the magazine. It looks very, very cute this time. And I usually never look into this beforehand, just afterwards to see the prices and the products and what it says about them. So we'll open the, oh, it's already falling out. We'll open the box. Oh, I already see exciting things. So let's go for the first exciting thing. It's by The Body Shop. I don't know if you've heard, but The Body Shop has new body yogurts. This one is the moringa one. Open it up. Oh my. This smells absolutely lovely. You know, see that? The Body Shop body yogurt moringa. Let's test it. It really is like a gel-like texture. Put it aside. Oh, that's a very nice consistency. I think that's gonna be awesome for the summertime. It smells heavenly and it sinks right in. It's not sticky at all, and it's already gone. And it smells really good. I think the body yogurts are supposed to be like really light in texture, so they will sink into the skin really quickly, and they're supposed to be made perfect for summer. So we'll test that out. Another thing I am seeing is a Blender Made 3D white whitening therapy. Yeah, that sounds good. What does this say? Does it say anything? It's supposed to be really good for your teeth, for sensitive teeth, so that's perfect for me. I will test that out. Comes in a regular tooth cream top like this. Yeah, we'll try it out. I know my boyfriend likes whitening teeth creams as well, so we'll try it, we'll test it. I usually get really sensitive teeth when I brush my teeth with anything that's whitening, so I don't like it that much. But we've been testing out one of those black ones with charcoal in it, and that one has been actually been really nice, and I haven't had any sensitive teeth whatsoever. I will show you in one of my reviews when I do another empties video. I'm sure this one will be empty really quickly because we love it so much. Yeah, but let's get to the next product. It's by Nutralash, and it's a Lash Volume lash cream. Style and care for your lashes and eyebrows, prepares for a perfect mascara application and promotes at the same time tremendous volume. Completely remove makeup, apply Nutralash Volume lash cream with the brush on your lashes or eyebrows. For optimal results, apply daily. Never heard of this. Well, I have had some products by Nutralash before. Didn't like all of them, liked some of them. It's a white tube like this. It says Nutralash, and Okay, so it looks like it's like a white kind of primer thing. I think it's a primer, I guess. I don't know. I will test it out and I will let you know if it did anything whatsoever. I had those, you know, lash growing serum by, I think it was Nutralash as well. Or was it Nutralash? I don't know, it was one of them and I just did not see any results whatsoever. I did not like it. I don't know, I'll try this one and we'll see. Next product is a natural spray eau de toilette Musk by Alyssa Ashley. I probably should show you before I open it, huh? Looks like this. I don't know, test it out. Doesn't smell like anything. This actually smells really nice. It smells like an everyday perfume. I think I would like that. Well, actually, I don't know. It smells musky, that's what it does. It says Musk by Alyssa Ashley and it definitely smells musky. But I like it. And good thing is, my last perfume just went empty today and I was thinking about buying a new one, so this is actually perfect. And the last item in the box is the Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. What is it though? Brow pencil in medium dark. It's a brow pencil. Okay. I actually had something by the Karl Lagerfeld edition with Model Co. I had another product in my Glossybox like 2 months ago. It was a highlight. I did show you that in my unboxing, I believe. And the highlight I really liked. It was very like, the highlight itself is very like dry and powdery, it feels like, but it looks gorgeous on the skin. Like, it is really, really nice. I like it a lot, and it's very, like, it's bright. It's very bright. All right, so that is the pencil. As you can see, Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. Okay. Looks like this. And can you actually sharpen it, or what does it do? I don't know. Okay, so let's see if we can swatch this. It looks like pretty nice. Yeah, it looks like it could be my color. That's not bad at all. I like that. We'll try it out. I like everything new for my brows. I haven't found my holy grail product yet, so we'll test it out and we'll see what it does. So yeah, this was already everything in the box. It's empty, just the paper inside. We'll take a look at the magazine, see what it says inside. This edition is actually the Midsummer edition. Yeah. Alright, so it has the Karl Lagerfeld pencil on the front. It's actually 23 euro. And then it has the Nutralash Volume Lash Cream, which is 17 euro. So that's already 40 euro. 40 euro for these two products, the Nutralash Volume Cream and the eyebrow pencil. So that's 40 euro, and considering the box only costs me 15, that's pretty amazing. And then we have the tooth cream, which is 5 euro. And so in there it also has other products that you could have gotten. We got the body yogurt by The Body Shop down here. This one's 10 euro. So what now? What did we say? 40 euro, 45, 55. Oh, I would have loved this cream up here. It's a shower foam. I love everything foamy. Oh, and I'm so excited. Dove has brought out some body peelings, shower peelings, and I really, really want to try them because they look really nice. And what else did we get? Oh, there's some nice products in here this time. that I did not get, some Got to Be, and also some Elizabeth Arden that would have been amazing. Caudalie. Oh, that's the perfume, so that's €9. And that's it. That's it. So it was like €65 in this box worth of products. The box costs €15 plus shipping. And I mean, that's a great value if you ask me. I'm excited for some of the things. I'm very, very happy about the body yogurt because I was already eyeing them. I really, really wanted to try it, so now I get to, so that's amazing. And I also want to try the new face sprays that they have, like their setting sprays or hydrating mists, I guess what they call it. Have you already tried that? If you did, please leave it down in the comments. I would really like to know how they are, if they work well, if they're good, if they're not good. I don't know. I mean, I love the Body Shop in general. They have some really nice products. So I'm excited for this. And I'm actually really excited. I'm excited for the brow pencil. I will try it. I mean, I wasn't happy when I saw the highlighter because I thought, oh, well, it doesn't feel so well when you swatch it. But actually, I really like the highlighter, so I think I'm gonna like the brow pen as well. We'll see, we'll see. But yeah, that was my Glossybox for the month of June. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you subscribe, and you know, keep watching my videos. There will be one each week for now. I hope to get that up the next time, maybe do 2 a week. But thank you so much, and I see you next time. Bye!